Hi, this is Roland Cassidy at Carroll Street Classics. Today I want to introduce this newest arrival, a 1967 Corvette Roadster. It's refinished in its original color scheme, Goodwood Green over saddle tan. It's a 300 horsepower, 4-speed. Car's got matching numbers, engine, transmission, rear end. It has Silverton Redline radial tires. Look at how smooth this thing runs. Original engine, like I said, it's got all GM belts and hoses. Original interior in this car. Original seat covers. They redid the seat foam and springs, but it still retains the original seat covers. Beautiful door panels. AM FM radio, clock works. It's got an MP3 with Bluetooth as well. Check it out at Carroll Street Classics, our 1967 Corvette Roadster.